Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about a common health issues during pregnancy, gestational diabetes. That is a type of diabetes that affects pregnant women and can have significant effects on both mother and baby. Gestational diabetes occurs when the hormones produced during pregnancy make it difficult for insulin to function properly. This leads to an elevated level of sugar in the blood, which can harm both the mother and the baby. It's important to note that gestational diabetes is not a result of poor diet or lifestyle choices. It can happen to anyone. Symptoms of gestational diabetes include increased thirst and hunger, frequent urination, blurred vision, and fatigue. However, some women may not experience any symptoms at all. That's why it's crucial for women to undergo regular prenatal checkups and glucose tolerance tests. If left untreated, gestational diabetes can lead to complications such as high birth weight, premature birth, stillbirth, and cesarean delivery. It can also increase the risk of type 2 diabetes for both mother and baby in the future. In some cases, women with gestational diabetes may experience additional symptoms such as nausea and vomiting. Some women may experience nausea and vomiting, which can make it difficult to maintain a healthy diet and manage blood sugar levels. Yeast infections. High levels of sugar in the blood can increase the risk of yeast infections, particularly in the vaginal area. Itching. Some women with gestational diabetes may experience itching, particularly on the palms of their hands and soles of the feet. Slow healing. High blood sugar levels can also slow the healing process of cuts and bruises. It's important to inform your doctor of any symptoms you are experiencing, as they may be related to gestational diabetes or other health issues. Early detection and proper treatment can help manage symptoms and reduce the risk of complication. Treatment. The good news is that gestational diabetes is treatable. Treatment typically involves monitoring blood sugar levels, maintaining a healthy diet, and exercise regimen, and in some cases, taking insulin injections. It's important to work closely with your healthcare provider to develop a personalized treatment plan. This plan may include monitoring blood sugar levels. Keeping track of your blood sugar levels is crucial in managing gestational diabetes. You may be required to check your levels multiple times a day using a blood glucose meter. Healthy diet. Maintaining a healthy and balanced diet is key to managing blood sugar levels. This means limit foods that are high in sugar, saturated, and trans fats, and choosing foods that are high in fiber and nutrition. You may need to work with a registered dietitian to create a meal plan that works for you. Exercise. Regular physical activities is recommended for everyone, and is even more important for women with gestational diabetes. Exercise can help lower blood sugar levels and improve overall health. Your doctor can recommend safe forms of exercise during pregnancy, such as walking, swimming, or prenatal yoga. Medications. In some cases, insulin injections may be required to regulate blood sugar levels. Your doctor will monitor your blood sugar levels and determine if it's necessary, as well as to monitor blood sugar levels regularly and make any necessary adjustment to your diet and exercise regimen. With the right care, gestational diabetes can be managed, and you and your baby can have a healthy pregnancy. In conclusion, gestational diabetes is a common health issue during pregnancy that can have significant impacts on both mother and baby. Early detection and proper treatment can help manage the condition and reduce the risk of complications. If you or a loved one is fighting diabetes, this discovery could save your life. Uncover the truth about successfully treating type 2 diabetes in the description below this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more informative videos.